Welcome back to Vocabulary Builder. Today, let's learn money and finance words. Invest. पैसा लगाना ताकि मुस्तकबिल में फायदा हो. For example, she invests in the stock market. Savings. बचाया हुआ पैसा. For example, I keep my savings in the bank. Debt. قرض. For example, he worked hard to pay off his debt. Profit. Munafa. Faida. For example, the company made a huge profit this year. Loss. Nuqsan. For example, the business faced a big loss last month. Interest. Sood या किसी चीज में दिलचस्पी. For example, the bank offers 5% interest. Loan. Qarza. Udhar. For example, he took a loan to buy a car. Income. Amdani. Kamai. For example, her monthly income increased this year. अब बताएं, आप पैसे कैसे बचाते हैं? ऐसी ही वीडियोस के लिए हमें सब्सक्राइब करें.